Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring high-altitude solar power platforms, a groundbreaking solution in renewable energy. We'll dive into their potential benefits, challenges, and how they're changing the way we harness solar energy. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated with the latest in innovative technology. Number 5, enhanced efficiency. High-altitude solar power platforms operate in a unique environment that offers enhanced solar efficiency. At higher altitudes, the atmosphere is thinner, meaning that there is less air and cloud cover to block sunlight. As a result, solar panels positioned at these heights receive more direct sunlight, which leads to higher energy conversion efficiency. This effect is particularly advantageous for solar energy generation, as the reduced scattering and absorption of sunlight by the atmosphere means more energy reaches the solar cells. Additionally, the cooler temperatures at high altitudes help prevent the overheating of solar panels, which can negatively affect their performance. Solar panels generally work more efficiently in cooler conditions, and at higher altitudes, the ambient temperature is usually lower compared to sea level. This combination of factors makes high-altitude solar power platforms a compelling option for maximizing energy output and improving the overall efficiency of solar energy production. The enhanced efficiency of solar panels in these conditions is a key factor that makes high-altitude platforms increasingly attractive for large-scale solar power generation. Hashtag 4, stable energy production. While high-altitude solar power platforms benefit from a more stable and consistent supply of sunlight compared to ground-based solar arrays. The thin atmosphere at elevated heights reduces the likelihood of weather-related disruptions, such as cloud cover or atmospheric turbulence, which can significantly affect solar energy production at lower altitudes. At ground level, solar power generation is subject to daily and seasonal fluctuations in weather patterns, which can cause irregular energy output. In contrast, high-altitude platforms are often above the weather systems that cause these disruptions, allowing them to produce solar energy more reliably. This stability in energy production is crucial for the integration of solar power into larger energy grids, as it reduces the risk of power shortages or fluctuations. High-altitude platforms can maintain a consistent flow of energy throughout the day and across different seasons, making them a valuable resource for meeting long-term energy demands. The ability to produce energy consistently and with minimal variation helps to establish high-altitude solar power as a more dependable renewable energy source. Number 3, renewable energy source. High-altitude solar power platforms are an excellent way to tap into renewable energy resources in a manner that is both sustainable and efficient. Solar power is inherently renewable because it harnesses the energy of the sun, which is an abundant and inexhaustible resource. By positioning solar panels at higher altitudes, these platforms can generate clean energy without depleting natural resources or producing harmful emissions. Unlike fossil fuels, which contribute to environmental degradation and climate change, solar energy is a clean alternative that helps reduce the carbon footprint. High-altitude solar platforms contribute to a more sustainable energy future by utilizing natural sunlight that would otherwise go unharvested at ground level. In addition, these platforms can be installed in remote areas, reducing the need for large-scale infrastructure changes in urban environments. This makes them especially suitable for providing off-grid power to areas that are difficult to reach with traditional energy sources. By investing in high-altitude solar power platforms, society can take significant strides toward achieving a more sustainable energy system that minimizes environmental harm while meeting growing energy demands. Number 2, reduced land usage. One of the key benefits of high-altitude solar power platforms is the reduction in land usage compared to traditional ground-based solar farms. Land availability is often a significant issue for large-scale solar installations, especially in densely populated areas or regions with limited open space. In many cases, solar farms are built on agricultural land, leading to concerns about land use competition between energy production and food production. High-altitude solar platforms solve this problem by utilizing elevated spaces such as mountain ridges, tall buildings, or even platforms tethered in the sky. This means that valuable land on the ground can be preserved for other uses, such as farming, urban development, or conservation. By taking advantage of unused airspace or mountainous terrain, high-altitude solar platforms can generate significant amounts of energy without competing with other essential land uses. In addition, these platforms can be deployed in remote areas where traditional solar farms would be difficult or impossible to construct. This innovative use of space makes high-altitude solar power platforms a highly efficient and environmentally friendly energy solution. Number 1. Future prospects. High-altitude solar power platforms represent a promising future for the solar energy industry, with the potential to revolutionize the way solar energy is harnessed and distributed. As the global demand for renewable energy continues to rise, innovative technologies like high-altitude solar platforms are poised to play a critical role in meeting future energy needs. With advancements in materials science, solar panel efficiency, and platform design, the feasibility of high-altitude solar power is rapidly improving. Future developments may allow these platforms to be built at even higher altitudes, where they could experience even more consistent sunlight and produce greater amounts of energy. Additionally, the integration of high-altitude solar platforms into existing energy grids could provide a new, stable source of power that is less susceptible to disruptions from weather and seasonal changes. The continuous evolution of drone and satellite technologies also opens up new possibilities for solar power platforms that can float above the Earth's surface, offering the potential for truly global solar energy generation. The future of high-altitude solar power is bright, with significant potential for advancing sustainable energy systems worldwide. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on renewable energy and technology.